It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT, and this is the new color Avalanche. Inside we have black sport cloth. Seats are seating for 5, and we have 4 doors and a 5.5-foot box. And this has a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. You have navigation as well as a power sliding rear window with rear defrost, max trailer tow package, and so many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And the graphics in this design right here is downtown Detroit. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, and you have a nice all-weather mat on the floor, electronic parking brake, power pedals, high LED mount light in the rear, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and the power tailgate release. There's also a grab handle and running board, just making it easier to get in. And on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, menu, and you also have hands-free dialing. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and you can go through the menu. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and they all have sub-menus, and it just goes back around there. Little cubby up top, and then you have your camera view. So what we're seeing here is behind us, there's your back bumper, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close you are to other vehicles or objects when going in reverse. And then we have our hazard lights, hill descent, traction control, and we have our audio. We can touch on the screen. This is just a protective cover. That's why you're seeing the red line there. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth. You're seeing the navigation right on the side there, but we can get the full view by bringing it up here and then indicating where we want to go. We also have our settings in here, so you can just slide through your display screen, can change the look of that. You can change your clock, valet modes, software updates, and so forth, and they have sub-menus as well. In your features, you're going to see your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. And then when you want to go back, you just press on whatever feature that you would like and slide through for the different options. Whoops, and there, I just turned on the volume. Sorry about that. And there we go. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So again, that same view that you saw on the camera, but now you're actually in reverse. So if you wanted to just see what was going on behind you, but not actually put the vehicle in reverse, you can do that with the camera. But now if I were backing up, this would show me what's going on behind me. Let's put this back in park. And then in the cubby, you've got a USB, USB-C, plus a little place to put items. Automatic select shifter, couple of cup holders, and you can make this go down. And so you just press that, gives you a flat surface to work on. And then you can open up your armrest. There's a nice little bin in there, take that out. You've got plug in down below, power up things, and then just close that up. We can just bring this back up. You've got a 12 volt as well as a 120 volt. 2 glove compartments, the lower one's locking and the other one releases there. And then we have our auto dimming rear view mirror, and I've left the covers on the I just lost words for that, but anyway, you can see them, and I've left the plastic on because this is a brand new vehicle, the visors. And here is the lighting. You have a power sliding rear window, and that's what that's for. Sunglass holder and grab handle in the body. That just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running boards, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, and the FX4 off-road package badging, which includes skid plates. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and the backup camera is located just above the handle, LED light to the right, backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer to hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can simply double click the fob. It'll power it down for you. It goes down easily. Nice line box with tie downs in all four corners as well as box link. And you also have two measuring tapes, metric and imperial, and a tailgate step. So you just push this open, and then there's that yellow button that pulls out to create a handle for you. So that just makes it really easy and safe to get in and out. You also have an area to be able to clamp, so if you want to do a little bit of work back here, you have one on the left and the right, you can do that. And then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's a grab handle in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab to bring it back down. There's also anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And these are the sport cloth seats. On the floor is an all-weather mat, and you also have extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders in the center there. You're seeing a 12-volt air vent, USB, USB-C, and a 110. Up on the side is the grab handle on the driver's side, lights and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box that's lined, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.